Good morning again, Highlanders, and here are the morning announcements.
How's it going, Dunedin Highland Middle School? My name is Matthew Wright, and I will be your fundraising director for the next 2 weeks. This year, guys, we are doing a color battle fundraiser. So not this Friday, but the next Friday, October 29th. We're going to pull you guys outside. We're going to have a field day full of color. So all the teachers will have color packets, all the kids will have color packets, and it's going to be a huge day of fun on the field. By the end of it, you will be covered in color from head to toe. We cannot wait for it, guys. Teachers, today in your first period class, if you guys do not mind handing out these access codes to the kids, we're going to do a challenge right now. So everybody in their first period class, that is your team, and your teachers are your coaches throughout the next 2 weeks, guys. So in your first period class, the 6th grade class, the 7th grade class, and the 8th grade class that logs in the most. So all you have to do is go to anython.com and type in your access code. Whichever top 3 classes have the most logins, we're going to come to your first period class tomorrow, and we are going to throw you guys a popsicle party in class. We're so excited for the fundraiser today, guys. We'll see you in the gym for our assembly. And today, if you guys win some games at the assembly in the gym, we're going to let you guys color blast us today after school. So there'll be 7 students color blasting us today after school. That'll take place in the courtyard. We can't wait to see you guys today. We're going to have a lot of games, prizes, and hopefully we fundraise good money for Dunedin Middle School. Thanks so much, guys, and have a great day. Thank you, first period teachers, again. We appreciate it.
Good morning, Highlanders. It is a busy week at Dunedin Middle School, so bear with me, but we have several announcements. First of all, today we have our fundraiser kickoff. Our fall fundraiser that PTA is running is a color battle, and so we'll be kicking that off in the gym. Every period today we will have sessions, so PE, health, and advanced academics classes will be in the gym to hear the fundraiser kickoff. It's very exciting. I want to congratulate our volleyball team. It was 8th grade night. We celebrated our 8th graders, and we celebrated them with a double victory, the boys and girls winning. Congratulations to Coach Meredith and both teams. Students, water fountains are back on. I repeat, water fountains are back on. There's a water fountain, at least one in every hallway that is on. So if you need water during the day, you can use the water fountains, and you won't need to go all the way to the water bottle filler. Ms. Bunch has notified me that 4-H Club has been canceled today. So students in 4-H Club, that has been canceled. Students engaging in touch football and basketball on the backfield, we have shut that down for all of this week. We will try again next week. We need students, when that 9:35 bell rings, to come in. That is the key. And so we're going to take it down for a week. We'll let you restart next week if you guys can promise and pledge to make sure that you're here to learn and ready to go at 9:35. Friday, we started our new No Tardy Challenge. We will have a No Tardy party for students with no tardies before November 4th on November 5th. Also, the 5 students in every grade level with the most tardies will be placed on pass restriction and will have to be escorted to class. You don't want to be on pass restriction, so be on time to every class every day. Students' report cards will go home today, 7th period, and your parents have been notified, so please know that they are expecting to see that report card. Make sure you show it to your parents. For our 8th graders, Pinellas County Schools starts its district magnet application fairs this week. Tonight is the North County Choice Fair at Tarpon Springs High School at 6 p.m. The Countywide Choice Fair is on Saturday, October 23rd at 9 a.m. at Largo High School. Tomorrow, Pinellas County Schools celebrates Unity Day, and we encourage staff and students to wear orange and pledge to be together against bullying and united for kindness. On Thursday, Dunedin Middle School goes pink in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We encourage all staff and students to wear pink on Thursday. Friday night is our fall band concert at 6 p.m., so come on and hear some great music. The PBIS Store will be open today. I want to remind students that Pinellas County Schools strongly recommends the wearing of masks, and students and families can choose whether to wear a mask or not, and all choices will be respected. Reminder to students that the following items, cell phones, earbuds, headphones, hats, hoods, head coverings are not allowed. Now we have some special other announcements about upcoming events. On Wednesday, October 20th, the PTA is sponsoring the Kona Ice Truck to be here as part of a fundraiser. And so the Kona Ice Truck will be in our car circle on Wednesday, October 20th, right after school, selling Kona Ice to students. So students, if you want to be a part of that and get some Kona Ice, you can bring your money on Wednesday, October 20th and visit the Kona Ice Truck in the car circle. The theater classes in the theater department with Ms. Eichler are sponsoring a haunted house on October 21st and 22nd in the Media Center. It will take place in the evening, and it will cost $5 per person to go through the haunted house, but it is a great way to support our students and enjoy some holiday spirit. PTA Reflections is an art program available to all students nationwide. Last year we had several winners both at the district and the state level here at Dunedin Highland Middle School. And so I encourage students that are interested in the arts to participate in PTA Reflections. The theme this year is I Will Change the World By. And so there's information on entries on the PTA website. All entries are due by October 29th at 4 p.m. in the front office. For rules and entry information, visit dhmspta.org. We look forward to seeing your entries. As always, students, if you have a conflict with a peer, please seek the assistance of an adult before taking matters into your own hands. Here at Dunedin Highland Middle School, we use the Say Something app. If you see something, say something. The app is on the front page of our website, and it is the fastest and safest way to report any type of suspicious activity or bullying. At Dunedin Highland Middle School, our rep is respect, excellence, and pride. Have a great day. Go Highlanders!